Let's see how Box's classification agent uses AI to help organizations find and secure sensitive content. In this demo, I'll show how a manufacturing company called Initech leverages the classification agent to enhance their security posture. Initech designs tech products and uses their Box account to store sensitive information about their widgets. A product manager is about to upload documents into Box related to their product, Atlas. Some of these documents are technical papers explaining the inner workings of the Atlas cutting-edge design, and some of them are just how-to guides that can be distributed publicly. Can you tell which is which? Yeah, whoever created these files did not use helpful file names. How can Initech ensure that the sensitive technical papers aren't leaked externally? Well, fortunately, Initech uses Box Shield classifications and access policies to protect sensitive content. However, they can't always rely on end users to add the proper security classifications to content. And since technical papers don't always contain the same keywords, they're difficult to automatically find and classify. This is a challenging nuance for most classification tools to understand. But with the classification agent, the security admin can write classification policies in natural language, describing exactly what types of documents the tool needs to classify. AI classification is perfect for this sort of challenge because it relies on more than keywords and specific identifiers. It inspects the context of the document based on custom criteria to determine the correct classification. The security admin at Initech wants technical papers to be classified with the confidential label. So they type out that documents classified as confidential should include engineering designs and technical documents. But these product designs aren't the only documents that Initech considers confidential. They also don't want to leak documents with PII, financial data, or information about mergers and acquisitions. The security admin is able to define all these prompts and test the behavior before enabling them. Simply by defining what confidential means to them, Initech is able to monitor a large surface area of their organization's unstructured data, more effectively labeling and protecting it from security threats. With the new policy in place, now when the end user uploads these documents into Box, the technical papers are automatically detected and labeled as confidential. Importantly, Box captures audit details, including the rationale for the classification decision and when the classification action occurred. In this case, the technical paper was given the confidential label, meaning the document now carries all the associated security controls. This document can't be shared externally or downloaded. As you can see, the classification agent intelligently finds and classifies confidential information across your Box account. Instead of solely relying on the presence of keywords or identifiers, the classification agent uses custom instructions to protect sensitive data based on real context, allowing companies to protect what matters most without slowing the business down.